It is 16th of March on a Wednesday, and the time now is 2:20 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan, and welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Alright, so today we're going to be touching on the few currency pairs that we've been going through for this week itself, and we're going to be touching more on the technical aspects. So let's kick off with the Australian dollar and against the US dollar. So right here you are seeing the day one chart. We've seen that the Australia against US dollar has fallen for the second day since it got resisted at the key support and resistance level at the price of 0.7577, just a little bit lower than the retracement level of 61.8%. So into the 1 hourly chart. Alright, we can see that there's exhaustion from the recent drop, and it may begin to retrace before it depreciate any further. So and the current structure also suggests that the price may fall further. So together with the fundamental reasons where we kind of can expect that the Reserve Bank of Australia may cut rate next month, price is expected to fall even further. So look for sell opportunity as price retraces, ideally to the price of 0.7526, which is one of the previous resistance level right here. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and next we have the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. So into the day one charts. Let me just remove this. Right, just a minute. Right, so in the day one chart itself, we've seen that the price has been depreciating as well for the second day as well, and from the key resistance level at the price of 86.06. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Alright, and just before it reaches the top of the falling trend channel, alright, it begins to fall. So we are expecting the price to fall further on the fundamental reason as well. So into the 1 hourly chart, the current structure itself also do suggest that the price may fall further, but we are expecting a further retracement. So we will be looking for an opportunity to sell again as price retraces, ideally back to the price of 85.14, which is at the retracement level of 50%, or even further will be at the price of 85.43, a retracement of 61.8%. So this is really very straightforward for the Aussie against Japanese yen. So let's move on to the euro against Japanese yen. So day one chart itself, we have seen that the price has been depreciating steadily on the downtrend, and every time as it fell, there will be a significant retracement. So right now, in this case, we already had the significant retracement completed, and the price has begun to depreciate. So into the 1 hourly chart. Alright, price has fell for 2 waves, and right now the price has is making retracement. A significant retracement has been seen. This thing's resisted at the retracement level of 38.2%, price of 125.92. But we would like. So either we will be looking for sell opportunity right here at the current price right now, or we shall wait for the price to retrace a little bit further to the key support, which will turn into a resistance level at the price of 126.10. And if we were to sell at the current price, we will still be setting our stop loss at least higher than the key supported turn resistance level of at the price of 126.10, at least about 40 to 50 pips away from this level itself. Or if not, we'll just be waiting for the price to retrace a little bit further back to this level to sell again. So that is for the euro against Japanese yen. Alright, we're moving very fast today, and now we have the dollar against Japanese yen. Day one chart itself, we have seen that after the depreciation, since the Bank of Japan adopted negative interest rate, but it worked against them, fell all the way as the yen strengthened even further to a low of 110.90. That's what I remember. 110.93. Yes, fell. Yes, started to consolidate for the past 1 month, And into the 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the price has been consolidating and resisted by a falling trend line right here. So we will be waiting for the price to retrace again, or rather appreciate again to the trend line itself. There we will be looking for the sell opportunity, as we expect that the price will continue to consolidate further, at least before the FOMC statement that's happening tonight. Alright, so just look for a sell opportunity if price were to appreciate and got resisted at the trend line itself. And that's for dollar against Japanese yen. And next we have the pound against the US dollar. In the day one chart, we have seen that the price again has fallen for the second day. It is still seen pretty bearish right now. And into the 1-hourly chart, we have seen that the price is kind of exhausted at the key support level at 1.4131. In fact, it has kind of slowly broke below it a little bit, but we are still expecting that a rebound will be coming very soon, as a significant retracement and all the way towards the resistance level right here at the price of 1.4234 before we look for further sell opportunity. But there will be a possibility that the price may break even higher based on the current structure we have in a day one chart, a inverse head and shoulder, where the second shoulder is currently forming right now. So if it breaks above this level, there's a very high chance that it will appreciate all the way to the price of 1.4598. Alright, so that is for the pound against US dollar. And just one more currency pair, an additional one. We have the euro against US dollar. We haven't been touching on this pair since last week. So right now in the day one chart, we have seen that ever since the price has rallied, broke above the key resistance level at 1.1065, came down, retraced, and back to the same level, almost touching the level. So we are expecting that the price after the retracement may continue to appreciate further, technically speaking. So into the 4-hourly charts, we can see that the price has retraced right back to the previous resistance level at 1.1065, and that is also at the retracement level of 38.2% based on the 4-hourly charts. So that increased the possibility of a rebound as the price tests the similar level again, if it gets supported. So we'll be looking for buy opportunity at this level. Alright, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so we've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. Just take note that tonight we have the FOMC statement. The market has already priced in that the Federal Reserve is unlikely to raise interest rate. So what we're going to be focusing on is the tone of the Federal Reserve, whether is it still bullish, still hawkish in a way that they are still looking to raise interest rate this year even further, and of course things about the labor market and stuff like that. So just take note of tonight's FOMC statement and the conference itself. Alright, so with that I have come to the end, so I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.